The Satpura Bridge is situated in the Satpura complex surrounded by a beautiful garden area. The easy way to reach Satpura is through metro trains. The nearest metro station is Malviya Nagar on the Yellow Line. From there, Satpura is only 3 kilometers. The Satpura is also near to Select City Walk Mall in Saket. Archaeological Survey of India has carried out restoration works on the Satpura area. It is believed that the water in the lake had some magical healing powers. Syed Ahmad Khan, in his book Asar-us-Sanadid, The Remnants of Ancient Heroes, wrote that Muslims would consider Satpura lake water sacred as Ganga Jal and take it in utensils. People often come and bath here and say that all effects of magic performed by evil persons are washed away. How this belief about healing power of water had come into being. One day, Nazruddin Muhammad Chirag Dalvi was spotted performing wuzu for the evening prayers at the lake. Nazruddin was the 14th century mystic poet who was the disciple of Sufi Saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulawiyya. The news spread because he touched the water. It had become sacred, after which people began distributing it as tabarruk. An annual fair was long organized at the lake site in which people from far-off places participated and fetched its water. The Satpura was made by Muhammad bin Tughlaq in 1343 AD. This dam is integral to the compound wall of the medieval fort city of the Jahanpana in Delhi. Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq was on his South India war campaign, which resulted in high taxes to cover the war expenses. Further, drought was also a big problem, causing further misery of people. Some tribal groups such as the Chagatai tribes had launched raids on many places in North India and even posed serious threats to Delhi when the Sultan was on his South Indian campaign. Urgent solution was needed to counter the situation, and hence Satpura was constructed to counter this situation. Our gate controlled wall in the Satpura dam was used to tap the water resources of the local Nulla on southern Delhi ridge feeding the Yamuna river. this could be used to bring large areas of flat land in the vicinity under controlled irrigated agriculture to grow food crops. The dam also provided the newly built Jahanpana city of Delhi a defense wall. The total length of the Satpula is 79.5 meters, that is 261 feet, and it is constructed in stone masonry. The 11 bays of the weir is controlled by tunnel gates, cover a total length of 54.5 meters, that is 179 feet. These 11 bays consist of 11 water tunnels, each 14.6 meters in length, 3.2 meters in height, and 2.9 meters in width. These bays are located at different levels with 7 main bays at the lowest level. The balance 2 additional bays on each bank on the far east and west sides on a higher level. The control arrangements seen how are in the form of gate grooves to operate vertical slide gates. When built, wooden vertical tunnel gates made of heavy boards of size 16 cm in thickness, 3 meter width, and more than 3 meters in height, were operated by a rope and pulley arrangement to control flow of water. The wooden gates have since disintegrated, but the gate grooves are visible in each bay. Satpula was located on western defense wall of Jahanpana city, making it a crucial place of defense. Satpula have pavilion on its both ends used as weaponry storage. The second level tunnel based on both banks lead to arched corridors having small openings which were used by archers of defending the city from attacking forces. The gates of the tunnel were closed as a defensive measure against possible attack in the dry season when no water remained in the dam. However, the water body at present is dried up completely, but the bridge has survived. The Satpula Bridge is one of the engineering wonder created by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. It is a water reservoir and also gives a perfect defense wall in the dry season. The Delhi Development Authority is doing a good job in maintaining the Satpula complex. We will bring you the exciting visuals and details about a new location in our next video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.